Welcome to the Take 2 with Archer Library video, the A to Z database list. I'm Diane Schrecker, Curriculum and Instruction Librarian, Head of the Instructional Resource Center at Archer Library. This tutorial provides an overview of Archer Library's A to Z database list. It features tips for locating and managing your database selection. On the library website, select Databases. We currently offer 210 electronic resources, including research databases and ebook collections. Users can scroll through the page or use search options to manage this sortable and browsable list. From the A to Z menu, you can search for a database by title or keyword, choose from a list of curated subjects and topics, select a resource type, or limit by vendor. If you're not sure where to start, review Featured Databases to access one of our most frequently used resources, or explore one of our new or trial databases. Note that the A to Z database list page includes Ask a Librarian chat. When a librarian's on duty, chat opens automatically. If chat's not available, you can still open the widget, search our facts page, or submit your question online. Each database entry includes a brief resource description, and some also include additional information. Access your selected database by clicking on the title. If working on campus, it will immediately open. If working off campus, you'll need to authenticate with your AU credentials. If you have questions about Archer Library databases or this A to Z database list, feel free to contact me or one of the reference librarians for additional information or help using these resources.